On today's episode of Cooking with Chef Kell, we'll be making Christmas sugar cookies. All-purpose flour, baking powder, we need salt, we need 2 sticks of butter, we need sugar, large egg, vanilla extract, and almond extract, and milk. Red and black buttermilk icing, cutters, whisk, and a bowl. 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt. We'll do another bowl and add our 2 sticks of butter and our cup of sugar. And we're gonna mix. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. A teaspoon of almond extract. 1 egg. A tablespoon of milk. I'm gonna gradually mix in our flour mixture. We're gonna put saran wrap over this, and then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for an hour. So now that our dough is out the fridge, we're going to take it out, put flour on the counter, and roll it. Now that we got our dough rolled out, we're gonna use our cookie cutter and cut out our cookies. Our cookies are out of the oven. It's time to decorate. This is the final touches, and don't look at how they look. They're going to actually taste really good. So now that we have our cookies cut out, we're going to butter our pan and put our pan in the freezer for 10 minutes so that the cookie can remain this shape.